soybeans were lower, corn was up, cattle and hogs were mixed. Hello, I'm Brownfield's Meghan Grebner with your closing market minute for Tuesday, September 2nd. Soybeans were lower on fund and technical pressure. The market remains concerned about trade and tariffs and, quite frankly, the lack of purchases from China for the 2025-2026 marketing year. The trade is monitoring weather and crop conditions. August was incredibly dry in the eastern Corn Belt, and there are forecasts for some pretty cool temperatures lingering in parts of Iowa, Illinois, and Minnesota. The USDA issues its crop conditions this afternoon, delayed from that Monday holiday. Corn was higher on fund and technical buying after spending most of the day in the red. Corn was able to finish stronger. There have been reports of widespread southern rust in cornfields, which creates additional uncertainty as the crop enters its final development stages. While temperatures have moderated, precipitation has been non-existent in some areas, and any potential reduction in yield could provide some support to prices. The wheat complex remains under pressure. The market is watching global supplies, which have been more than adequate. And while Russia is expecting to have a huge wheat crop, there have been rumblings about its quality. All eyes will be on planting conditions in the U.S. over the next couple of months, specifically looking at the South and the East regions. The latest drought monitor update had 31% of the winter wheat area in drought, which is down from last year, but still a large section of the country. Live and feeder cattle into the day mixed on spread trade. Box beef was lower and sharply lower during the session, and show lists for this week are mixed. And lean hog futures were mostly higher on demand optimism. However, there are some long-term concerns. Pork values were higher during the session. I'm Meghan Grebner for Brownfield.